Good morning, one and all. Today discuss the topic Coulomb inverse square law. Already we have discussed the first lesson. Force between the two charges that is positive charges, either positive and negative charges. Here it is the repulsive force, here it is the attractive force. So now moving to the Coulomb's inverse square law of the magnetism. Let us consider the two bar magnet. So that is the magnet A, another one is the magnet B. So this is the north pole, here we can using the south pole. So it is separated the two bar magnet, that is the distance R. So now consider the another bar magnet, that is the B. Here it is the north and south pole. So already we know the magnetic pole strength for the variable, that is the QM. So that is the bar magnet A, here using the A. Here the pole strength means that is the QM. Here the bar magnet means B. So we can using the QMB. Another one is the QMA. Distance between the two bar magnet, that is the R. Now we can find out the force between the two poles. Normally here it is using the north pole of the bar magnet A and the north pole of the bar magnet B means that is the repulsive force. Rendu north pole ku idaiyila enna force irukunda, here we can using the repulsive force. Suppose it is the south pole means it is the same repulsive force. Suppose it is the opposite poles, that is the north and south and north poles means here it is the attractive force. But they are the two kind of the force between the two bar magnet. One is the attraction force, another one is the repulsion force discovered by the Coulomb's. So that is the Coulomb's inverse square law. So now we can find out the Coulomb inverse square law means that is the force is directly proportional to the product of the poles strength. Product of the pole strength, that is the QMA, another one is the QMB. Force of attraction or repulsion between the two bar magnet is directly proportional to the product of the pole strength and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them. Now we can using the constant proportionality. So that is the constant proportionality means F equal to K QMA QMB divided by R squared. So that is the value of the constant proportionality means that is the mu naught by 4 pi. So here it is the using the mu naught means that is the permeability of the free space. So that value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. So that is the value. Now we can substitute means already divided by 4 pi means that is the K value 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. Now we can substitute the whole value. So F equal to mu naught by 4 pi, that is the QMA QMB divided by R squared. Already we know the force is the vector quantity. So now we are using the unit vector, that is the I cap. So that is called the Coulomb's inverse square law. So now moving to the another very important 5-mark question, that is the magnetic field at a point along the axial line of the magnetic dipole. So another it is a very important 5-mark question. So now moving to the magnetic field. Already we know the magnetic field means the force experience of the unit of north pole nu solliren. Now moving to the magnetic field at a point along the axial line of the magnetic dipole. நம்ம இங்க எங்க எடுக்கறோம்னா axial line. இது நம்ம first lesson லயே electric field find out பண்ணியிருந்தோம். It is the same method. Now we can moving the magnetic field. Magnetic field பொறுத்த வரையிலும் the force experience the unit north pole nu சொல்லியிருந்தோம். Now moving to the magnetic field, let us consider the bar magnet NS. N means it is the north pole, S means it is the south pole. So NS. Already we know the geometrical length means this is the total length of the bar magnet. Magnetic length means between the pole strength. So that is the magnetic length of the pole strength means that is the 2L. Geometrical center பொறுத்த வரையிலும் பார் மேக்னெட்டிக் என்னன்னு எடுக்கிறோம்னா 1 எடுக்கும். அப்போ இதை செப்பரேட் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா O2S நம்ம என்னன்னு எழுதலாம்னா இது L, another O2N means that is another L. So total that is 2L. Now we can take the point C at the along the axial line. Along the axial line பொறுத்த வரையிலும் இந்த டைரக்ஷனில் நீங்கள் எங்கே வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம் along the axial line. அப்போ now we can take the point C along the axial line. Distance between the O to C means that is the R. That is the geometrical center of the bar magnet to the C. So that is the distance is R. Now we can find out the force. Now we can using the unit north pole at that point C. Here it is the two kind of the forces. Here it is due to the north pole means here we can using the north pole. So it is a repulsive force. So it is a repulsive force, that means it is a north pole due to the north pole. Suppose here it is using the south pole means already we know the unit north pole here at that point C. So that time it is a attractive force. ஏன்னா force changes ஆகுது. அப்போ இங்கே சவுத் போல் இருக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா நமக்கு it is the attraction force. அப்போ they are the two kind of the force. That force we can find out the Coulomb inverse square law. அப்போ நம்ம இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய யூனிட் ஆஃப் த நார்த் போல் என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுறோம்னா தட் இஸ் த QM போல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அட் தட் பாயிண்ட் சியை பொறுத்த வரையிலும் சீனை எடுக்கும்போது தட் இஸ் த 1 ஆம்பியர் மீட்டர். அப்போ 1 ஆம்பியர் மீட்டர்னால QMங்கிற போல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் நம்ம என்னென்னு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடலாம்னா 1 ஆம்பியர்னு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம். Now we can find out the FN due to the north pole. அப்போ ஆல்ரெடி we know the constant proportionality mu naught by 4 pi QM, that is the pole strength of the north pole. Another unit of north pole means it is the 1 ampere